Hello everyone. In this episode, I'll show you how to create a Family 2D and integrate it into a main family. Family 2D helps us generate schematic representations directly within Revit, save workspace, and provide annotation symbols for drawings when needed. For this example, we'll integrate a Family 2D into the elbow family we created in Chapter 5. As you can see, when the detail level is set to coarse or medium, the piping displays as simple lines. Open the elbow family and switch to the reference level view. To create new model lines, draw 3 lines, 2 straight lines representing the connection ends of the elbow, and 1 arc representing the curved portion. Then, dimension the 2 end lines. Add parameters to those dimensions. Align the lines to the reference planes, or reference lines, and lock them. Select the curved reference line and lock it. Don't forget to align both ends of the arc to the reference planes as well. Next, go to the 3D view and select all components. Use filters, deselect everything except the pipe fittings category, and click OK. In the Properties panel, under Visibility Graphic Overrides, click Edit and set the detail level to Fine. Repeat this process for the Lines category and set its detail levels to Coarse and Medium. If you prefer the 2D lines to appear only in the reference view and not in 3D, select the lines, go to Modify and choose Convert Lines. This turns model lines into symbolic lines. Alternatively, you can create symbolic lines from the beginning under the Annotate tab. But remember, symbolic lines can only be created in plan or elevation views. This ensures that the 2D graphics no longer appear in 3D. Once the visibility settings are done, reload the elbow family into the project and adjust the view's detail level to see the changes take effect.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.